Mix salt with detergent and you'll be amazed at the result. I didn't believe that mixing just these two ingredients would make it happen. I was blown away by the result. And now all my neighbors want me to reveal my secret, and I'm going to share it with all of you so that you too can get the most out of it and save a lot of money. First, we're going to need some detergent here. I'm using this yellow detergent. This is neutral, but many people think that neutral is with the clear liquid, but it's not. We'll need to add 200 milliliters of detergent to a large container, remembering that you can use any other detergent. Just add the 200 milliliters of detergent. Once that's done, we'll now need salt, refined salt. We'll add 2 tablespoons of salt here and mix it up a bit. We'll also need bicarbonate of soda. We'll just add a spoonful of bicarbonate and mix that in too. After that, we'll add the last ingredient. We're going to add 200 milliliters of water at room temperature. You've added the water, just mix it again very well. Here our valuable mixture is ready. What are we going to do now? We'll take an empty container. I'm using detergent. We'll pour all our mixture into the container. Then just cover it with the detergent cap itself. And what we've just done, this is one of the best homemade aluminum cleaners ever produced. So you'll use this product to clean and shine all kinds of aluminum in your home, especially your pans. Just look at the state of this extremely burnt and grease-encrusted pan, with dirt stuck to it that won't come off easily even if you scrape it with your fingernails or cutlery. When people have a pan like this, they usually throw it in the garbage can. You don't have to do that. You just take our product, pour a little on the sponge. You don't need much or a new sponge, because this product is really very powerful. You simply scrub very well. You don't need to use a scouring pad. You don't need to spend a lot of time scrubbing your pans, and this applies to cutlery, stainless steel items, kitchen items, vats, sinks, and even some appliances in your home, and even aluminum parts in your bathroom. Look how wonderful it is, guys. And as well as cleaning this, it will also give your metal and aluminum parts an incredible shine. You don't have to use a lot of force. Look how wonderful it is, an extremely cheap and very useful product. Leave your pans brand new, just like when you bought them. Look how much dirt has come off. Do it at home and you'll love it. To the housewives, and God bless you.